Yo, what is up guys? LT Tech here. Today we're going to be reviewing the NZXT H510i. We're going to be going over what we think about it and we're going to give an overall review. So stick around and we'll continue. Alright guys, so what we're going to be talking about in this video is kind of all overall like the core features of this case and what its predecessors and why it's a little bit better than them. So let's get right into it. Alright guys, so right now I'm on an Amazon page and we're looking at some listings for the NZXT H510 series. So here's the case for the NZXT H510. Now this runs for about $70, which is about $30 less than the I version. Then you do have the Elite version, which is kind of the also predecessor of this, which is going for $150. Now, why is this the better of the bunch? Well, if you think if you want to check out one of my other reviews on the NZXT H510 Elite and the H510, go ahead and look at those. I'll link them in the description. But you pay $100 for the I version when you get an extra RGB strip in the case. The Elite version doesn't have it, which is just pathetic. And you only get 2 extra RGB fans in the front, and those aren't even the fans that you get in the case. So it's clearly in my opinion, the 510i is the way better buy, and you can get it in white, black and red, or just straight black. And it does have way more RGB than the Elite version, which is $50 more than the case. So for RGB, you get one strip on the top, which is nicely placed, and it's really nice and bright too, so you can definitely control it. Then we have a stripe going all the way down the little stripe on the case, and that goes all the way down there. So to control it, let's get at that part. Alright, so to get to the NZXT, or how to change the lighting, what you want to do is you just want to go online and search up NZXT Cam. That's basically all you need. Search up, and you're just going to click the first link there. Then you will click free download, run. Alright, so now that we're in the NZXT Cam software, just continue as guest, or you can sign up or do whatever you want to do. You're just going to continue as guest, you're going to click here, confirm. Then you're going to want to go to click on the lighting if you want to change the lighting. But I don't have any devices on this PC that I'm recording on right now that does support NZXT things. But you can definitely do anything that you need to do right here. And this also does show system specs and everything like that. So definitely pretty cool. So yeah, that's how the lighting works. So lighting looks pretty good. I mean, as you can see in here, it looks great. A lot of people also think that airflow here is pretty bad, or the filtration, but it's actually not. So let me show you all the filters in this. So if you look right here, there is a filter on the back side of the panel, one on the bottom of the case, which is easily removable. It's mostly for the power supply. It's super nice, and it comes off really nice and easy. Then for the hard drive bay, I figured I'd mention it. You do have to have screws on the bottom. That's one of the ways that you take off the hard drive bay for that. So for fans in the case, you can put 2 140 or 120 mil fans in the front with a removable kind of case to take them out. Then on the top, you get a 120 or 140 mil fan you can put on the top. There's no filter on top of it, which can be, if you have an outtake fan, it's alright. Then on the back, you have a 120 mil fan that doesn't have a filter. So for rear I/O, you're going to get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 PCI slots. Then you're going to get a vertical GPU mount. It's pretty cool for a $100 case with 2 slots in it, which is awesome, I think, for a $100 case. Then for the top, you're going to get the 120 mil fan, or whatever you want to put it there, as I said before. Then the standard I/O shield for the motherboard. Then at the top of the case, you get a mic and audio, USB-C, a cool-looking purple USB 3.0, and a nicely lit up power button. The vertical GPU mount is actually pretty nice. You're going to need a PCI cylinder, and it has a fair amount of room in there. I didn't see any suffocation for the graphics card, so no reheating. So airflow is pretty good actually in the case. I mean, you can see a fair amount of airflow rolling in there. With the side panel off, you're definitely going to get 10 times better. I mean, that's how it works with PCs, more airflow getting into the case, and it's a nice side panel too. So you can screw it in pretty easily. There's nothing I don't really like about side panel, and you can still feel air blowing out of the case. The hot air is not that hot. It just depends on your components, but it's still definitely airflow. Overall, guys, the case is great. You get a nice aluminum body frame. super clean. I love the minimalistic look in it. But it does have this little indent right there that I'm not really too much of a fan of. The front panel does not come off. You're going to have to use the two brackets in the front. But it does have a nice little curve at the front that I do like. The back panel looks great too. You can see the airflow in the front, and it does. It feels good too. So that's something I like. And the back of the case has plenty of room for anything, basically. It's pretty clean. Excuse the cable management, just the kind of PC I threw together. But you get about a finger length of, or like a ligament of length for it. Then this is the thing that controls all your RGB. That's what our light strips are connected to, and it's powered by SATA. So that's how you're gonna power it. And that's like a light strip on the back. So pretty cool. Definitely really liking it. So that's where the airflow will also come into the case. So awesome. Anyways, guys, that's the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed this case. It's probably one of my favorite cases that you can buy. For only $100, it's a steal. Definitely would recommend it. Check the links in the description. Be sure to like and subscribe or dislike, whatever you want. See you guys later. Peace.